Good morning, Lower School. Welcome to our virtual assembly. Growing together, reaching higher. So this is our fourth virtual assembly, and today we're going to spend a bit of time reflecting on lessons learned from the past and how we can move forward. So quite a few notices this week. A reminder to everybody to look after your mental health. To do this, you need to keep into a daily routine, getting up at the same time and making sure that you complete work that's been set for you. Look after both your physical and mental well-being. Try and reduce your anxieties by making sure that you complete work, making sure that you're reading, making sure that you're keeping your physical body. And I know some of you are doing Joe Wicks in the morning. Look after your eating habits as well. You can still access all the work resources through our school website, and for you it's through Key Stage 3 Virtual School and through Seneca. Contacting school, info@artbolton.org for any emails. You can get hold of us that way, and also you can go through the Sharp system if you have anything that's concerning you or worrying you. Everybody's entitled to put work forward to the Amazon gift voucher for a prize. So if you've got anything you're really proud of, please send it in to info@artbolton.org. Miss Allen has put together another recipe this week, healthy option pizzas, and I'll come on to that in a little while. A reminder just for Year 9s now that the options deadline finishes today, so you should have done that by going online and picking your options. If you have any concerns, get in touch with us at info@artbolton.org. You also need to know that if it hasn't been completed, there will be some phone calls just to check in. It may be you don't have access to the internet or there are some issues there. So hopefully, if you haven't yet done so, somebody will be in touch with you. So although I know a lot of you are fasting at the moment, we need to really think about our diets, especially at this time. I hope some of you tried the banana cupcakes that was last week's recipe. This week's recipe is pizza, healthier version of pizza. Have a good look, maybe save this screen and have a go. It's something everybody can do and it's great fun. My kids and I, we love making our own pizzas, putting different toppings on. So enjoy making pizza this week. Again, if you take any, or you have a go at this, take any pictures of it and send it into info@artbolton.org, and it might even win you an Amazon voucher. For all of us, this is a really difficult and changing times that we're in. So I just wanted to bring up on here the two ways to contact us. Through the website, you've got a telephone number there as well, and through the Sharp system. It doesn't matter how big or small it is, or if you've got issues with work or anything at all, you can just contact us this way, and someone will get back to you really quickly. We had quite a lot of people this week put work forward for the Amazon gift cards. Teachers have also done the same. We've got some amazing work that's being done on Seneca, and also some real effort going in. Individual subjects have seen some students doing up to nearly 6 hours just on their subject alone. So if you've got anything you're proud of, do send it in, and we will have a look at it and put it forward to win the voucher. So we've had 2 winners so far, and I'll be announcing the 3rd one later on in this assembly. So today's assembly, really, we wanted to touch on how we can use things that have happened in the past to shape both our present and our future. And in particular, we're going to be looking at VE Day and what this means to us and what lessons can be learned. So first of all, what is VE Day? Well, VE Day was at the end of the Second World War, was the day where there was an unconditional surrender by Germany. And this was made on Tuesday the 8th of May 1945. And what happened was that this prompted numerous street parties up and down the country. And the images that you see here demonstrate that. People who are in the army and people who weren't, just coming together on the streets to really enjoy the fact that war is over. Why were they so happy? Well, a lot of people believed that this would never end, that it would just go on forever, and that the country would be constantly in a state of war. So when this unconditional surrender happened on the 8th of May 1945, people just went out into the streets and were so elated, so happy by the fact that actually it was over, that these street parties just popped up. Now today is 75 years since VE Day, and there are a number of streets up and down the country who are going to be doing a street party, but in isolation. So I had something on the local residents forum that said 6 o'clock on Friday, what we'd like everybody to do is come out the front of their house, set up some chairs, get themselves a drink and some food, and to sit and have a party, but all on our drives, just to celebrate the 75 years since VE Day. What it made me think really was about the current situation. The fact is that at the moment a lot of us just don't know when this situation is going to end, when we're going to get back to normal. And I was wondering, when the government do announce that things can go back and that isolation is over, will we all go onto the streets and will we all celebrate and spend time with those that we've really missed, our family and our friends? Because the same feeling as they had 75 years ago when the war was over, I think will be repeated after this, because it's something we've never known before. So during this time, whilst you're at home, I wonder if you're keeping to those norms, keep working, keep on pushing through, knowing that there will be an end to this. Are you logging on every day? Are you working really hard? Are you putting your best efforts in? Are you hoping that soon we can get back to normality? It's unusual, I know, for children to really love, I want to be in school and get there. But actually, having had this break, I wonder if you realise how important school is to you, and that normality that it brings, and the relationships that you have both with your teachers and your friends at school, and how important they are to you, and how getting back to that really is quite important for all of us. I know I can't wait to get back to work. I really miss seeing you all, seeing my colleagues, and enjoying the daily routine that school brings. So I'm going to ask you to really be challenged this week and to think about how you will celebrate when this is over. Hopefully it will coincide with Eid for you, so that you can really spend time with your family celebrating. I look forward to hearing from you this week with key work and any questions you have. Certainly your mind with options. Do enjoy the week, do enjoy this, and if you get the chance, either read a newspaper or watch the news this week to do with the VE Day celebrations. So let's learn from the past how people really celebrated the release from war, and maybe we can learn from that and really enjoy the fact we're going to get back to normality, hopefully fairly soon. So here's our online working shout-outs this week. There is absolutely loads, which tells me that you're really engaging with this work, that you're logging on, that you're doing the work. Some of the percentage rates are up there in the 90s, people completing work. We've had nominations all over the place, from English, from maths and French, science, all of the humanities. We've had some fantastic things that are going on. Some work again from Khadija there. You can see that picture there of an eye. It's really neatly done and some superb effort. But take a look down there. If your name's on there, then 2 claps, 2 stomps to you. If it's not down on there, maybe you need to just push yourself to really get there in the top of the charts for your subject. I am so proud of all of those that are on this list today. There's some outstanding work going on and some real commitment to subjects. And so on to the nominations then. We have Khadija Riaz in art for year 7, who did a lovely sketch of an eye there. We've got Mersel in year 8 for science, who did nearly 6 hours of science work to a very high standard. Sadia Shah in year 7, Shabnam Jabin for geography in year 9, and Rakila Bibi year 9 in history there. And the winner of this has to go to Mersel Hotak in year 8. The amount of work and effort he has done in the last week, in particular in science, is just outstanding. And if he's putting that same effort into every subject, I was working out he'd probably done close to 36 hours in the last week, and it just shows an absolute commitment to the subject. So well done, Mersel, and I will be in touch with you very soon via email to give you your £10 Amazon gift voucher. So it leaves me just to say goodbye for this week. Remember, VE Day is on Friday. It is a bank holiday, and I can't wait to see you all, and hopefully that'll be really soon. Listen to the news, because we believe governments are about to announce how we will get back to normal, and I look forward to seeing you all in school really soon. Goodbye.